Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW M4 front bumper. First, ensure your workspace is clear and you have all the necessary tools, like a floor jack, jack stands, and a socket set. Safely lift the front of your vehicle and secure it on jack stands. Then, remove both front wheels to give you ample room to work on the bumper's side fasteners. Next, move to the undercarriage. You'll need to remove several screws and clips securing the splash shield. After that, turn your attention to the wheel wells. There are various fasteners here that connect the bumper to the fender liner. Gently pull back the fender liners to expose any additional bolts or clips that might be hidden. Now, let's address the top and sides. Carefully unclip the upper grille section and remove any bolts you find there. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors. These are usually simple push-tab connectors. Finally, release the main clips that secure the bumper to the side fenders. With all fasteners and connections released, the bumper is ready to come off. Carefully pull the entire bumper assembly straight forward, ensuring it clears all mounting points. Have a soft blanket or mat ready to place the bumper on to prevent scratches. Take a moment to inspect all the mounting tabs and clips for any damage, and consider replacing any worn parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.